Not a fan, thumbs down, 0 out of 5 stars, want my money back. But the irony is, I will sell them and make money on them. Happy to do that. So I'll shut up now. I'm still a loser. And you know what? That's okay. Well, hey there folks, and welcome back to the pits of YouTube. If you are here on accident, I'm sorry. I'm not sure how you got here. If you voluntarily came back to watch this video, I really appreciate you, you masochist. I have a lot of new subscribers from my last video, and in case you're not aware, if you are here on accident, my name is Kyle. I am my online reseller on Amazon and eBay. That's all you need to know. The rest of my life is completely boring. But you know what's really exciting is how much I love reselling and talking about reselling. And here on YouTube, I love sharing my 10 years of plus of experience and also learning from a lot of other YouTubers. And I'm still learning and I still make mistakes. I'm still a loser. And you know what? That's okay. So anyway, I am not in my normal space. I'm actually traveling for the next 6 months with my other job, which is one of the cool things about being an online reseller is you can do it wherever you want. And I do it in addition to my other job. So I'm going to be discovering a lot of new thrift stores, a lot of new fun places and adventures out here in upstate New York while I'm up here for the next 5 or 6 months. Let's get out to the adventure land of thrift stores and see what we can find together.
And we're off to adventure through the thrift store aisles. I'm headed back to the toys. Wow, who's driving this thing? Call 911. They are drunk. I'm headed back to the games, because that's where I usually like to go first, because just look at that, those beautiful little board games. I find this snake oil brand new in the box. I've sold this many times before. Good price, $4 on it. I'm going to sell this sucker right on Amazon. And right behind it we have this Gobblies throwable paintballs. Good price, $3.
I'm going to interrupt here because I want to talk about this Gobblies throwable paintballs. I think it actually might be one of the worst things ever created. Who thought this was a good idea? And I'm wondering if complaining about this product makes me a really grumpy old man. I think it does. Not a fan, thumbs down, 0 out of 5 stars, want my money back. Don't want to be in a society where they throw paintballs freely. But the irony is, I will sell them and make money on them. Happy to do that. So I'll shut up now.
And I think I can turn it into about $30, so I will put it in the cart. Right behind it, find this Betty Boop. I think they think it's a toy. That's why it's in the toy section. I actually thought it was a puppet at first. However, it's a golf club head thingy-mabob that goes on top of the golf head. Great price, $3, and I think I'm going to make a decent profit on it. I did find this Cosmic Slumber tarot cards. Good price. I paid a couple bucks for it. And I'm going to sell this again on Amazon. I found this great Trivial Pursuit game. It would have been a really good score. It sells for $40 brand new, a little less collectible. Unfortunately, the box is just beat up, so I did leave this behind. Unfortunately, I did find a couple of good DVDs, brand new, Falling Skies. I paid $5. Only going to make $1 on it or so, but I figure it's an easy sale. It'll sell quick, and I'm already here, so why not throw it in the cart? Mars, same thing. This is actually $2, sells a little bit better than that Falling Skies, so this is definitely going home with me. I did find this Dollywood. Dick, if you are out there, your mug is at here in this thrift store. I did find old books. I've been finding a lot of old books lately. I've actually been looking for them. After I learned about their value, I found another YouTuber who sells a lot of old vintage books specifically. This particular book, these practical mathematics books, I don't understand them, but I don't need to. They do sell for about $75, $85 with shipping, so these are going home with me. Great profit on those suckers. I always check the sci-fi and fantasy section because I'm a big Lord of the Rings fan, so I'm always looking for vintage copies of the books. No luck today. Find some more board games in the back of the store. Didn't find any board games, however, I did find this set of old vintage Play School. I always check out the price. Some vintage Play School has value, some does not. This is like a whole doctor hospital set, selling for $5. I did find it. Doesn't sell for a lot, but I might be able to get about $25 to $30 on this, and they're good condition. There's a lot of pieces going home with me. Then I do turn around and I find Pretty Pretty Princess. I have sold Pretty Pretty Princess so many times in my life. I'm a Pretty Pretty Princess pimp. If this one is the newer version, but look out for the old ones. They sell for a lot of money. This collectible version, $20, and they're only asking $2, so that's going home with me. Tommy Bahama hat. I love finding hats and selling hats. I think I got this for about $2. I'm expected to sell this about $20 all in, so it's going to be a nice little profit. Invested about $41 today. We're going to make gross revenue about $273 in sales for all this stuff. Shipping materials, $5. I actually think it's going to be closer to 2 or 3, but for math's sake and for worst case scenario, I'm going to put $5. Net profit's going to be about $175 for the day. I do put about 15%, which is $26 aside for tax season next year. I also like to put in an hourly wage for the day. My travel time to the store was roughly an hour round trip. It's going to be about 20 minutes to list this stuff, probably like 15 minutes, probably 15 minutes to pack and ship. We'll just call it another 15 minutes. Let's just call it about 2 hours overall, which is going to break down to that hourly wage wage of $85 an hour, which is fantastic. I'll take that every time. If you want to take out the $26 roughly for taxes, we'll take about a $75 an hour wage for the day. And I think that's pretty cool.
See, that was fun, right? At least I had fun. So thanks so much, guys. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you guys out in the wilds.